Hey everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean. We're doing another ice dam removal job in Iowa. We were called to this home because they had water and icicles on the siding. That's a very good indication that you got an ice dam on your roof that's holding water. If you see these warning signs, it's very important that you call someone to get the ice dams off right away, because then you're going to have water in your home if you wait too long. So there's pretty good ice dam right here in a valley, another one in the valley here, and as you can see, they got ice coming behind the gutter. That's a very good sign to look for right away. And when it starts to get worse than just coming behind the gutters, it's going to start coming down your siding. So if you see water or ice coming down your siding, you got to act quickly and get the ice off your roof. So you can see here it's coming behind the gutter, coming through the fascia. It's actually coming through the soffit right here, even a couple feet back. So we were called to this home to remove the ice with low pressure steam. Please stay tuned for the rest of this video. We're going to show you what we do on the roof with low pressure steam. Thank you. Hey everyone, Jesse here, coming to you again, same job on the roof. We've got some of the snow melted away. We've got some of the ice dams cut open, and we're just here showing you the whole steaming process and why low pressure steam is the best method to remove ice from your roof. So as you can see in our hand, we've got a low pressure system. There's no trigger like a high pressure power washer would have, and there's no high pressure tip like a colored yellow, orange, or green tip on the end here. We're using a pipe. This is a low pressure steaming system. My advice would be to always look for a gun without a trigger and a tip similar to this. And we're going to show you just how safe and how gentle low pressure steam really is on your roof, and why low pressure steam is the best method to remove ice from your roof. So this is a very new roof up here. I would say it's only a couple years old, so very nice condition. And so we're going to take this steam and we're going to apply it right down to the shingles in the same fashion that I would use when I cut through an ice dam. So when I cut my channels through an ice dam, they're pretty close to the roof like this. You know, we're right down on the roof. And sometimes we're real close to the roof like that. Okay, so this is low pressure steam. It's not a pressure washer. It will not damage your roof, and we're going to show you that right now. So we're going to focus on, let's say we'll focus on this shingle right here. You can see this is a brand new roof, very nice condition. These shingles are very nice. So we're going to hold the low pressure steam on that shingle right there for a short period of time, and we're going to pull it away. We're going to zoom in, and we're going to show you that the roof is still intact and there's zero damage done to the roof. So as you can see, I'm getting very close to the shingles here. I'm not holding it, you know, right on the roof. I can, however, hold it right on the roof if I choose to. If this was a high pressure system, you would definitely have roof damage from doing that. So let's go ahead and focus back on this shingle, and you can see there's absolutely zero damage done to that shingle. That is the beauty of low pressure steam. If you're looking for a good company to remove your ice dams with low pressure steam, give us a call. We've got over 20 years of experience, lots of good reviews. I was a roofer most of my life, and a lot of times you'll see me on your job. Thank you so much. All right, everybody, thanks for staying tuned and watching this complete video. As you can see over here, the ice goes up the roof pretty far. It isn't thick all the way up the roof. It isn't obviously the biggest ice dam we've ever seen, but we just want you to see, you know, how far the ice does come back up the roof here. It comes up 3 feet, 4 feet back up the roof. And so we're getting all this snow removed and exposing the complete ice dam. We don't want to leave any of this ice dam, even if it's a ½ inch thick. We want to get all the way back. And so we're just going to do this video here and show you the process of how we remove an ice dam with low pressure steam. So this will kind of be a little in-depth video here, maybe some up-close video of what we do here. So basically the first step is we want to open this ice dam up. We want to get it completely opened up, and then we can start melting the top of it here. We've created a channel for the water to leave the roof and it's not going to come in the building. So now we can just start removing some of the thinner sheets of ice here. And as you can see, the steam goes to work really quickly. And once we get down to the thicker sheets of ice like this here, then we can simply cut underneath it. So we'll get this one free from the roof and we'll show you that process. So we undercut the ice, free it from the shingle so we can go underneath the ice. And when we see the steam shooting out the other side, we know we cut underneath it. We're just going to keep doing this all the way down the ice until we've undercut the entire thing free from the shingles. And when the ice is free from the shingles, it'll drop and we know it's free. And so that ice dam's now free from the shingles and it can be thrown off the roof. If you're looking for a good company to remove your ice dams, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. We are fully insured and have over 20 years of experience removing snow and ice from roofs. And we're very passionate about what we do. If you choose not to hire us, that's fine, but we just advise you to look for a company that's using low pressure steam without a trigger and a metal pipe on the end. Those are important things. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment. Thank you so much.